So friends, the journey for the part 2 has begun from here, from Lava to Rishyap, and I have heard that road condition is quite bad. It's muddy, patchy and raining continuously, but still I am enjoying, and I hope you are also enjoying it. So watch it till the end of the video, and if you like it, don't forget to make a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Watch it till the end. So this is the real incline, starts from here, and this is the toughest ride till death of my riding life. यहाँ से असली चराई शुरू होते हैं. इतना चराई कि पत्थर है और कुछ भी नहीं है. No tarmac, nothing else, narrow road, and it is extremely steep, which you cannot see or realize through this wide-angle GoPro camera's vision. However, I am enjoying it, and watch it till the end of this video. Actually, this kind of terrain is not ideal for riding with Thunderbird, especially with 350X, because 350X has alloy wheels, and it is a bit risky to ride continuously on boulders and rocks with the alloy wheels. अगर किसी भी तरह से alloy wheel में क्रैक आ गया तो समझ लो कि पूरा दिन बर्बाद हो गया आपका. और ऐसे है मेरा बाइक में, लेकिन उन लोगों को फ़ोन करते हुए आते हुए और ऊपर से इधर नेटवर्क भी ठीक तरह से नहीं मिल रहा, तो मेरा तो समझ लो क्या हो, आसपास में कोई भी असिस्टेंस नहीं है, नथिंग एल्स, पूरा जंगल ही जंगल है. तो स्टिल आई एम राइडिंग विथ इट, बट हैव सम फियर इन माय माइंड, एंड आई मस्ट से इट इज़ ब्यूटीफुल रूट, ऑसम व्यू, बट you should ride with Himalayan. It is the ideal route to ride with Himalayan, not TB. Far away from daily hustles and bustles, noise of city life, spending this awesome morning amidst this beautiful lap of nature, including this excellent breakfast of puri and aloo dum. Simply a great start of the day for such kind of people like me who got very few chance to escape from his daily social and work responsibilities. This is Great Ripay, a relatively high altitude trip. I found this in part of the Eastern Himalaya. You can see it is busy to collect seeds from the adjacent cornfield of this homestay's kitchen, and watching its activity from this homestay's veranda leisurely is a kind of pleasure from soul and mind. This is Mr. Norbu Sherpa or Daju, the actual owner of this homestay, and this is his simple kitchen. The good thing of this homestay is they have an organic kitchen garden adjacent to their homestay, and they grow various types of vegetables here to serve their guests. You can see here Daju is collecting some beans which I have already tested yesterday night, and that is just awesome. And this kind of beans is only available in this altitude, not in plains. You cannot get it in plains here. Now Daju is going to his squash plantation. Let me show you some bags hanging over there. Is not it awesome? And this is called dali, a kind of chili, hill chili. It is found all parts of Eastern Himalayan region. It is extremely hot, but its flavor is extremely good. Last night I have tasted it and it's good for me. Good morning friends. Today I am in Rishyap and one of my friends' homestay. After yesterday's hectic ride, I was so tired that I could not able to make any video or which I have seen here, nothing else. शाम भी हो गया था. However, that was my toughest ride till date. From Lavha to Rishyap, because the road condition was extremely bad. No tarmac, nothing else, only rocks, and some places have steep climbs. Even my 350X could not able to get in a farm way to this route. However, I have managed it anyway. So, which I am telling that I am in a resort. This is Passerine retreat resort. All you know, Rishyap is a very well-known place for general tourists and also bird watchers. But this resort specialty is it is totally isolated from other resorts. You can see behind me all are greens. This is the part of Neora Valley National Park, and the resort is located on the edge of this park. So actually this place is ideal for hardcore bird photographers and bird watchers. One of my friend Sandeep Chakrabarty from Kolkata and his associates has made this beautiful place for bird watchers and bird photographers. I can see lot of birds here. I have tried to shoot 3-4 species, but due to dense fog and cloud, I could not able to make any good footage. However, today after lunch I am leaving this beautiful place and ride back to my home. I hope you all enjoyed this thrilling journey of this tiny hamlet of Eastern Himalaya. So in future I will try to make such kind of videos and will try to explore some offbeat locations and will try to share with you. Please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to make a big thumbs up if you like this vlog. So guys, meet you on the road again while I will get back to my home. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.